Adding digital products to your offerings doesn't have to be stressful or take a lot of time. But coming up with an idea is just getting you stuck. In this video, we'll be brainstorming digital product ideas to help your clients and boost your sales. Hi, I'm Kaye. I help female entrepreneurs leverage their artistic strengths to create a thriving business online. Instead of starting off with all the different digital product types, I have some questions for you to help you get your juices flowing. Feel free to stop the video at any time to journal in a notebook, or better yet, download the free Profitable Digital Product Idea Generator Journal, which you can find in the corner of this video. This will help you not lose that brilliant idea that might just pop in your head. So we're not creating digital products just to create digital products and say that we have them. We want to create digital products that are going to help your current clients and fan base, plus boost your sales. The ideas that I'll give you in this video are time-saving ideas. Instead of taking weeks to figure out what to do, if it's going to be profitable, or overthink the entire process, each question in this video is posed in such a way that you will have an immediate idea for your digital product and start making money immediately. I'd like you to think about your clients and your followers that you currently have, whether that's online or off. You can even think about past clients that you've had and how you've helped them. Out of that group of beautiful humans, pick one person that pops into your head. Think about that one problem that they had that you solved for them. For example, my pitch exploration journal that I created in this last year, digital download, evolved in 2014 when I worked with a violinist in the UK to help him out with his intonation. I teach the same process in my Gorgeous Tone Academy. As the years went on, I realized that it would be wonderful for my clients and students of the Gorgeous Tone Academy to have an actual journal to record the process. And voila, I created my one-of-a-kind download pitch exploration journal. As you see, this hit all the yeses, supplementing an existing program and selling as a standalone product. The standalone product builds an email list where I can foster and nourish them to join Gorgeous Tone Academy as the next step. Now let me ask you, do you have an online program or course that could use a supplemental printable resource? This is also great if you have an in-person practice. What pamphlet would be helpful for your clients that you could easily create as a digital download and sell? Another idea is a daily implementation checklist. Checklists are great because they could be printed up, kept on the fridge, close to the laptop in the office to help your clients along with the daily implementation of a process that solves their problem. Do you have a blog? Blogs are great because you've put in a lot of hours into that blog. You can take all those blog posts that you've spent hours creating and turn them into a digital download, an ebook. Bundle up your most popular blog posts or by category and create an ebook. This is great for your current client base to easily print up the tutorials that you've given in the blog posts. Revenue from ebooks is expected to grow 3.2% by 2025. Next question for you. Is there a common problem that your clients seem to have? What digital product would be a helpful resource for them to work through the solution to that problem? Perhaps a planner, a checklist, a workflow, or a template that you may use on a daily basis. What questions do you get asked most often? If nothing comes to mind, you can keep your own question journal, and every time somebody asks you a question, write it down. This is a great time-saving way to even come up with new blog posts, new YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, so that you're answering these questions that are being asked to you regularly. And it's a great way to create a digital product that you can send them to and say, hey, yeah, you know what? I've got the answer for you in this ebook, in this PDF, in this audio, and direct them to the link. If you already have an opt-in or a freebie that you're giving to your clients and followers, think about what would be an easy, no-brainer next step that they would love to have to help them along their way. For example, I've created my Raise Your Vibration guidebook. And once they get that free guidebook, at the end of the guidebook, I have the next step is to learn how to implement this in your daily practice. And it's a PDF called Powerfully Aligned Daily Manifestation Practice. Coach Glue creates ready-made planners for you to buy and create your digital download. Just make it your own and you can sell it immediately. So they've made a business making templates of digital downloads for you to sell. As you see, there is a need and a want to print up digital downloads that are planners, notebooks, or journals. Are you good at asking questions to help your clients find their answers? There you have it. Your digital download can be one that's filled with journal prompts. Is there something that you use all the time, like a checklist, template, or workflow? Turn it into a digital product. Super easy and fast. You're already using it. You know it works for you. Make it your own and sell it as a digital product. Trello or Asana templates are great digital products to sell. What do you wish you had a printable checklist for? I know I want a printable checklist to make YouTube videos so I don't forget specific things like the microphone, turning it on, having the picture taken right after the video for the thumbnail, putting this into a reel, putting it into yada, yada, yada. That is a checklist that I would create for myself, and you never know, you might see it as a digital product. Many of my clients struggle knowing what to practice in the world of violin technique on a daily basis. So what did I create for them? A digital download. Their problem inspired me to create a 15-minute practice routine strategy checklist planner for 365 days that they can easily print up, and for the entire year, every single day, they know exactly what to practice in the world of violin technique with a fun little checkbox that they can check off as soon as they practice that specific technique. It's a fun way to stay on track and take out the whole thinking process before even starting to practice. Do you have Google Docs or slides that you've used previously in presentations or to work with your clients? You can easily turn those into a digital download. You don't even have to do anything with it. Just share the link. Just change it to view so they don't edit out anything in your Google Doc, and share the link. Super easy. Very, very easy. Less stress. No need to create anything in Canva. Just share a link. When you were younger, did your mom ever put together a chore list for you? I know my mom did. And it was fun for me to put on those sparkly little stars. Chore lists can be made into a digital download. If you go into Etsy and you search for chore lists, you'll see hundreds of different types of chore lists, cleaning lists that people are selling as digital download products. Let this inspire you to make a list, a checklist of any topic, not just chores, a personal habit tracker to help you and to help your clients, plus boost your sales as a digital product. Digital products are PDFs, sending a links, accessing Google Docs, but we also have audio files that you can sell as a digital product. What meditations would you just absolutely love that you can create for your clients and sell as a one-off meditation or a bundle of meditations to help your followers through a specific process? If you're a musician, What can you sell? Perhaps your own compositions or any music in the public domain and you can sell online. If you're a musician, think about what audio you can create that would help your students and your followers. You can create affirmations that would be helpful for your followers, for your clients, as a PDF and also as an audio of you reading those affirmations that they can listen to throughout the day so they feel like they have you in your back pocket cheering them on. And 2 more really quick ideas. Any recipes that you absolutely love, you can sell that in a recipe book and your fans and followers would be just thrilled to know that they're eating something just like you like it and that you love. They feel a little bit more connected to you. As you can see, the ideas are endless of digital products that you can create to help your clients and boost your sales. Don't forget to download the digital product idea generator to record your answers and to keep by your side. Go through this video perhaps one more time so that you can write down all of those inspirational ideas to help support you in your biz.